Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a business credit card. So for this, first of all, open your banking app in your mobile phone. Once you are logged in to your account, you will be directed to the main interface. Now here, navigate for menu. As you go to menu, now click on cards. So there we have multiple options like we have the debit cards option, then we have credit cards, and then we have virtual debit card. So for now, we will go with the credit cards first. So simply click on credit cards and there we have another option that is apply for new credit card. So simply click on apply for new credit card here. So a new interface will open where you need to enter all your details. First of all, you need to choose your account type. Then you need to enter your details like your name, then your CNIC. Next, we have the option of required product. So as we are here for credit card, so I will click on credit card. Next, we have the city option. Choose your city from here. Next, we have the nearest branch. You can choose the branch too. And then you can add the contact option here. So simply add your phone number and email and then click on submit. So in this way, you can apply for a credit card. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.